It was a beautiful day. It was 9 o'clock, and the sun was shining in the sky. On the road, there was a traffic light. Next to the traffic light, there was a dog. The dog was sitting. It was watching a cat that was sitting on the other side of the street. On the road, a blue car was driving up the road. A green car was driving behind him. On the pavement, there was a very beautiful and very tall girl. She was walking up the pavement. The driver of the blue car was watching the road. The driver of the green car wasn't watching the road because he was watching the beautiful girl. Suddenly, the dog ran into the road. The blue car braked and stopped. But the driver of the green car wasn't watching the road. He was watching the beautiful girl. So he didn't brake and crashed into the blue car. The girl pulled out her telephone and called an ambulance and the police. The police arrived.